here we go. You know, it's interesting. People been asking me about, day trading. What's going on, John?
Good morning, John.
What's up? What's up? Here we go.
Here we go.
I'm super pumped today. I don't know why I'm in such a good mood today. Probably because my XRP is moving up a little bit, made me happy. Plus, I was thinking, right? As always. So one of the things, people been asking me about trading in general, but I'll kind of talk about the day trading. The reality is this. Anybody can do this. Like, I'm being serious for a minute. It's all a matter of just having a system, a plan, and then following it. Like, that's it. So you don't even have to come up with your own system, right? You just, again, I did, but you can find a system that works and then just focus on it, right? And just because you're a great trader, don't mean that you're going to be able to, how do I say this? It's easy to pick up some. I'm trying to think how to word this. Again, I'm watching right now, guys. So again, we're just waiting, right? Look at this big ass candle. Somebody was telling me about their system with the NASDAQ. And they do good. And in my mind, it's like, well, I'm sure it is good. And so it's like, but people automatically assume because you know how to trade, like you can do somebody else's system. You still have to learn it, is what I'm saying. I'm kind of just rambling here, but I'm going to talk more about it right now. Again, we're not doing nothing the second we wait 3 minutes before we do something. But I'll be sharing with you different things. I got some stuff coming up. All right. But let's make some money. And I've been doing a lot of thinking about what we talked about yesterday, right? That damn reward to risk stuff. Killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. You're goddamn killing me. All right. Here we go, my friends. I am going to start marking up our stuff. I'm going to mark this. How are these ticks positive when the market is down 39? That is wild. Market's down 40, but yet the ticks are positive. Well, that's interesting. Let's mark this level. 41.75. That's very interesting. Just follow the plan. That's all we can do every day. Right? And get better every day. All right, so we are, bam. Let's get ready for our first opportunity. I'll be looking to go long, believe it or not. Market's down 41, but I want to take a break to the upside. So that's what I'm going to set up on right this second. That could change at any moment. But based on the information right this second, I don't want to take that break. I want to look to take that move. This could just be a fake out or a trap. I don't know. Surprised the market's down so much. We did have a news item at 7:30. I guess that's the reason why. But other than that, it doesn't look like we have anything to worry about. I'm going to go the 92s. 92s to the upside. 92s to the upside. Advanced only. Right? We got 4 strategies. Right now, we are only allowed to trade the advanced. And setup number 1 is what I'm looking for, to the upside. That's it. Patience. Patience. All you need is one trade, maybe 2 trades a day to make a full-time income. Surprised the market's down so much. We're going to have some opportunities today in the option room as well. I know it. All right. All right, so we flipped here. A lot of selling pressure going on right now. So, again, we're down pretty good. The market is down pretty good. But you know what's up pretty good? Alcoa. Believe it or not. Hang on. I'm going to get out of Alcoa. 2.62 plus 50%. Hang on. I got to do something here really quick. When did I get, hang on. I'm not taking that trade yet. Let me just, that's weird. Maybe it's not open yet. I don't know. That's weird. Oh, wow. So I just closed out Alcoa for 50% within 5 days. I got into that trade on the 13th. Bam. Hang on. That one popped up. It must have shot up like a rocket ship. Man, I took 50% in 5 days. All right, so I'm going to be looking for setup number 2, right? Hang on. I gotta bring something over while we're here again. I'm watching. Don't worry. I won't do anything without telling you guys, but I need to, what's going on, Malik?
Good morning. Good morning.
All right, brother. Just close AA plus 50% in 2 days. All right. So for those of you following along, I got an Alcoa, and my rule is 50% within 5 days, and I literally just hit 50% in 2 days. We are out. All right, cool. I was looking at my P&L, and I was like, wow, how's that sucker up so much when the market's down so big? Well, you know what is down so big? GILD. GILD is disgusting. But we're not going to worry about GILD right this second. All right, setup number 2. That's what I'm looking for right here, right? Setup 2. Let's go ahead and erase that, right? Y'all know. Again, I always say it. Make sure you set up your charts exactly like this. And that includes download the codes. Yeah, the market gap down big, which completely sucks. So it looks like what I'll have to do probably on GILD is, unfortunately, it looks like I'll be getting out of that trade. Well, it's getting pounded. We'll see. All right. Yeah, just kind of was looking at a couple things while we're here. So let me get kind of back here, laser focused on this. And again, I was kind of suspect of that. All right. Kind of suspect. Again, market is down big, though. Remember, guys, in that option trading, right? 50% within 5 days, you get out. No matter what, just take your profit, get out. Okay, so I'm going to be looking to go short if we get a, this is going to be setup number 2 to the downside. The only issue is I'm running out of time. Okay, so again, I will always tell you what I'm doing. Right now, I'm looking at setup number 2 from the advanced to the downside. But again, I'm also looking at the information, and that can change quickly. Wow, Alcoa really pumped. That was great. Okay, setup 2. Let me go back to SPY. See if we can get a push down. I mean, again, I prefer this market to go up, obviously. I'm in a lot of stocks. I'm in 2 trades now. I just took profit on 1. Looking to go short with the signal. 87s. 87s. Got to happen soon, though. Just watch it. All right. If that closes above my line, that's going to be off the table. And then we're going to get ready for our next opportunities here. If it closes above that line, it's going to be off the table. I hope we reverse and go right back up. Right? I mean, that would be awesome. Surprised Alcoa gapped up so much when the market was down so big. It gapped up. But I'm out. I'm watching this candle here. It's got 30 seconds left. The issue is, you see, there's some selling going on right here. 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗨𝗦. This candle closes in 6 seconds. Let's see how this candle closes. All right, closed above it, off the table, okay? Off the table. Now, let's do this, my friends. Zoom in to a couple things so I can get a better look at it. All right. Next opportunity is our 15. It's that 15-minute block to the 30-minute block, right? A couple things that we can do. So let's just get ready for that. We're going to start. Let's go ahead and draw some more levels. Know your levels. The software will draw the major key levels for you. It will not draw the minor key levels. You have to draw them, and you need to understand it. Even if you don't trade the advanced strat, you need to understand it, because that's really going to teach you the price action, right? How to recognize fake outs and traps. Now, this, I might end up erasing that. I thought that was going to be good, but we're kind of reversing going down. So these key levels aren't set yet for another minute and a half. Surprised the market's down so much today. I'm marking that level. Again, those levels aren't set yet. I'll tell you when they're locked in, right? My job is very simple. I trade and I teach my rules. That's why I call out everything, right? What I'm doing is I'm teaching my system. We're here to make some money, right? We're here to make a full-time income. That's what we got to do. That's what we do. We don't need to be staring at the screen all day. We get our paycheck and we get out. Right? Get our paycheck and get out, as Charles always says. All right. I'm just typing in our group. Wake up, everybody. Wake. All right, here we go. Let's get this ready now, guys. The next opportunities are coming. we go. We got our levels building themselves. Now everything's on the table. Everything is on the table. Remember what I talked about. I'm going to be trying something a little new on. I'm adding to our aggressive. It's going to be like a super aggressive. So don't do it if you're not comfortable. But I got to do it. It's like any other system. You got to test it out. Do it the same way. So I'm going to do that. It's pretty aggressive. I talked a little bit about it yesterday. Right? My primary focus is on the advanced and the aggressive. The scalping within the middle, it doesn't seem to really present itself that much. And there's other opportunities. Also, I am going to trade inside the 30-minute range. Setup number 2 and number 3, which again, I talk about that. Don't worry, I'll talk about it as it happens. Don't worry. All right, so what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be getting set up to go long. Yep, I flipped it, long. 92s, 92s, 92s. And remember, and I'm only going to do one on the new one. A lot of stuff going on. Okay. So on the new, I'm only going to be doing one contract just to test it out. But when I add to this trade, I'll be doing our normal stuff. Okay. So on the new system, one contract, normal contracts on the other. So right now, I don't know what to call it, but so far I have the aggressive, and we have just one kind of a strategy within it. One setup. So I'm adding a second setup to the aggressive. Second setup. The advanced has 4. So the advanced strategy has 4 setups, and the aggressive has 1, but I'm going to be adding another one. All right. And you got our private WebEx. Y'all are inside this university. Y'all ask questions if you must. But as far as the new setup, it's brand new. I ain't got much to say, but what I will say is go ahead and erase those lines, because like I said, the key levels are drawn for you. We make this as simple as possible, but not any simpler, right? That's what they call it. And no, I'm not talking about simpler trading either. Fucking John Carter. Damn you, John Carter. Telling everybody that squeeze is so easy. What's wrong with you? Actually, it is easy. You just got to trade it the right way. Got to go up there. Got a lot of wikis going on there. Pull out my notes, right? Our rules, right? This is my card for the 15 minutes. You don't have to think. You just do, right? You just do. So right this second can go either way, right? We got a level here and a level here. Uh-oh, get ready. I might be doing the aggressive 2.0 here in a second. I'm going to be looking to go long. And then I'll be adding. All right, I'm going to go long. I'm going to go right now. Okay, so this is the new methodology. I think I went long. Yeah, I went long. Now I'll be looking to add to this trade. Remember, I'm still testing that new one out. That's the only way to build the expectancy, right? I don't care if I win or lose. I'm going to do it the same way every time with one contract. But our normal system, I'm going to do it the normal way, right? Okay, so don't even worry. Again, I'm still waiting. Again, I'm not going to talk much about the new one, but right now, okay, so that's it. Okay. Why does it do that? Keep waiting. Dude, I can't, man, 𝗙𝘂𝗿 is getting pounded. I need to get out of 𝗙𝘂𝗿, man. I need to do that 30-minute gap roll here in a second. I'm getting pounded on 𝗙𝘂𝗿. Oh, my goodness, you 𝗙𝘂𝗿 son of a bitch. All right. So, let's see here. Still looking to go long. Yeah, fucking 𝗙𝘂𝗿 is awful. But I'm not going to get out. Still looking to go long, all right? Oh, shit. Wait, 3, 6, 9. It's got to happen quick, though, y'all. Quick. Problem is, not really doing much of anything right this second. Not yet. There's been no entry into the normal. I'm going to do some more talking about like what's my kind of thought process. But again, I'm just testing it out, right? On the other one. Right now, we're trapped inside that range. Nothing going on. Just not moving yet. That's fine. So I'm going to type something in our chat while we're just kind of watching this here. So I'm going to call it that. Okay, so I haven't really this thing. So on the aggressive, I'm going to put. So in reality, that the first setup on the aggressive that I'm testing right now is I'm going to just type in the chat. Because right now it's 8:54, so you got to back off. Okay, you're just backing off because if there's no entry, yeah, just back off right now. Well, I'll talk about it, but I talked about it yesterday. If you have any questions, let me know. But it's like super aggressive. That's why I'm only doing one. Market's down 45. We're trapped in a very tight range right now. Very tight range. So there's been, as far as our normal plan, there has been no entries yet. Okay, none. That's interesting that his mark is down so much. Look at that. We are literally trapped. No, it's undecided right now, okay? Remember, our whole system is based on trying to figure out which direction the big money's going and then jump on board for the ride. That's all we're trying to do. Now, with the advance, we can catch moves along the way, but we're establishing our bias. Like right now, it's undecided. The market's not ready to... Yes, it gapped down. But since the New York market opened up, it's undecided. It's getting pounded, though. All right, so here's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to... Got to go back up. I'm going to go ahead and triple this area. There's 3 key levels on top of each other. Okay, that's important. Okay, that's important. I'm also going to get ready to type in our WhatsApp group. All right. We've got 2 minutes left for our next opportunity. Basically, that'll be locked in for the rest of the morning. So we got to wait, and there's no news announcement at 9. Again, I'm surprised this market's taken an absolute beating as bad as it's taken. Very surprised. It's getting pounded. Dow Jones is down 240. S&P's just taking a whooping. I'm 52. What the fuck? At least the fucking crypto market's up, right? Give me some happiness on that at least. Well, not everything is up in the crypto market, just some things. All right, so we got to wait now. We got 1 more minute to go. And then we're going to be ready for our next opportunity. You get it, you take it. Period. I will be looking to go short. I will tell you that. Got multiple things that's going to be working here, guys. But basically got the aggressive 2.0. I'm going to be looking at that. And then I'm going to be looking at the regular aggressive. I'm going to be looking at the advanced. There's so much shit, dude. I got too many things. All right, here we go. Mark the level. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. And so I am looking short, I'll tell you that, for sure. Okay. I am looking short. I'm going to be looking at those 86s. Okay. 86s to go short. And I'm going to try that new one right now. I'll be looking to add to this trade with the confirmation. Okay. So I got in, but again, do not do it. That's just me testing out this new thing. But I'll be looking to add to this trade. Bam, I already hit it. Wait, did I hit the target already? Wow. All right, I hit the target. Okay, that's good. All right, I'm already out. I got 10. All right. Now I'm going to be patient this time. I will be patient. As a matter of fact, we can look to do the advanced. No, we can't. No, we can't. So, nope. All right. I'm going to be looking at the aggressive. I just hit 10 points a minute ago, just like that. That's crazy. God, I don't want to. I got to wait, though. This is what I did yesterday. I jumped the gun, and it backfired. So I just got 10 right now. Oh, shit. I forgot to post the levels. My bad. All right, 3 seconds I'm allowed to do it. All right, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to go short. Hang on. What's going on here? Why is it doing that? I don't know what the hell it just did. Hang on. It like canceled all my shit. What the fuck? What the hell? Hang on, I'm in this trade. What's going on here? Oh, I'm in this trade, but it canceled like all my stuff. I don't know why it's doing that. Hang on. I got to figure out here. I don't know what's going on here. Hang on. All right. All right. So I am in this bad boy at 54 cents. And I'm going to put a target at 74. No runner, right? There we go. All right. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. All right. Let's see what happens here, my friends. Dude, this thing is like, this active trader is infuriating me, actually. I'm in this trade, by the way. I don't know why this active trader is doing that. It is really pissing me the fuck off. Huh. I'm short, by the way. I'm in this trade short. I'm just trying to play around with this active trader, trying to figure out what is it doing. All right, everything looks good. Staying in this trade. Oh shit, it's looking ugly. I mean, again, I'm just kind of monitoring it, you know, looking for it, and that's what I'm doing right now, guys. A lot of patience, right? A lot of patience. Market's down 58. I'm in at 54. All right. Ticks are sinking. All right. I'm looking for 74 cents. And then also 84 cents. I'm not doing a runner. Actually, I'll probably just shoot for the, to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to shoot for that 70. No, I'll do the 74 scaling out on 2. And then I'll move the other one to lock in 10 if it happens. So I'm looking for 20. And I'm going to stay in this trade. Okay. Until either my targets hit or I get stopped out. I'm already plus 10. Okay. Here we go. And right now, I got 2 contracts to sell at 20. So we'll see what happens. All right. All right. It's getting close. A lot of dancing around here. Staying in the trade, though. A lot of patience. Staying in it. Looking for plus 20. About to hit it, actually. Just need one big push. 4. Nope. Can't seem to get it. Looking good, though. All right. Just kind of watching it. There we go. Come on, baby. There it is. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Now, I'm going to lock in 10 on the other one. So hang on. And I'm going to let it ride. Oh, shit. What happened? Oh, it targeted me out. Oh, I must have not. Hey, there you go. I'm out. Holy shit. What'd I get on that? I got. Hang on a second. Make sure I'm not in this trade anymore. Hang on. I'm out. Wow. Let me see what I got there on that one. I got 50. 50. So I'm up 60. All right. I'm out at plus 60. Damn. Got me plus 50 more. Total plus 60 on the day. All right. I'm out. That was crazy. I don't know, dude. I mean, that was a winner. I don't know if anybody else took that trade, but the thing is, I wanted to do a runner, but I forgot I had a hard target set 10 above it. Shit. But remember what we talked about yesterday? Fuck the runners, right? Even though I was actually going to do it, but it would happen so fast, it went up and hit my rest of my target. It hit the rest of the target, so I wasn't even able to do a runner. But that's fine, you know, because like we talked about yesterday, right, Jeff? How many times does it run? We cannot rely on the runner. All right. Got a way to do it. Cannot rely on the runner. Even though that son of a bitch is still going up. Damn. GILD is getting tortured. Did anybody else take that trade? Yeah, no, I got to make some notes here. All right, cool. So let's see if we have any more opportunities here. Let's see. That was big. Again, I'm still wrestling on the P&L because one thing I noticed. By the way, when I took that aggressive, I did not have a stop loss. And one thing I noticed, it went down, but I didn't, because I didn't have a hard stop loss, because I was playing it on the technicals, obviously I didn't get stopped out. But I was looking at it. Had I put a hard stop loss, I think it would have stopped me out. Which means, Oh, that's kind of a... I wouldn't have got that move. Because I think it went down about 12 or 13, maybe even 14 cents. And then it went back up. I never had a hard stop loss because the original rule set, there was no hard stop loss. But I think it would have stopped me out if I would have put a hard stop loss. But I'm not sure. I didn't do it, so I don't know. Because we've got to get our reward to risk. That's the whole key. Now, I got 50. Well, on that trade, yeah, I got 50 on that trade. But I'm trying to think about it. If I would have had a hard stop loss at 10, I would have lost 30. So even that win wasn't enough. So I'm still kind of figuring it out, you know. But I'm looking at it. I'm glad I got out. The options kind of where it was. Again, I got to really think. I've got to really think about that hard stop loss rule. Because I think I would have got that. Anybody take that trade? Did you have a hard stop loss? Because the original rules doesn't require a hard stop loss. I need to know. Did y'all make any money? If not, why? And we need to know. We can't be quiet. This is about, we're testing things out for that new one. So I kind of need to know where you're at. Right now, I'm now focused 100% on the advanced. And I'm looking for a number 4 entry to the downside. Okay? Set up number 4 to the downside. In trend momentum entry. That's my normal contract size of 50. So that's what I'm looking for. That in trend momentum until we start to hook back up. I'm not sure how it took some heat in here. As this was breaking, that's when that option, I saw it go down. And I think if I would have had a hard stop loss, it would have lost. Man, market's getting killed. Dow Jones down 280, S&P's down 66.
Yeah, I missed getting in that one just by a few seconds. By the time I got over to get my entry, it started to run away and I wasn't going to chase it. So,
yeah. All right.
Sucks, but you know, that's the way it works.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't have been a good gunfighter back in the day.
Yeah, me neither. Now I'm focused on the advanced. Really comfortable with the advanced. I'm really comfortable with the aggressive. The only issue it's that, do I put a hard stop loss or not? That's the issue I'm at.
Well, we're definitely into the Friday factors that Charles talks about.
He does talk about it, right? If it breaks, it trends in that direction for the AM session. And I mean, just look at the information on the board. It's just drifting down. Now we look like we've stalled so right now, but it's kind of just drifting down there. We'll see what happens. But I mean, at the end of the day, I'm up plus 50 cents on the option. 50 per option contract. So it's like, that's a day's work right there, baby. Again, you trade for a paycheck. Once you get your paycheck, you quit. Don't get greedy. All right? It's already a gift. If you get it, it's a gift. Take it. It's a gift. That's Take it. That's the whole name of the game. Your system has to have, it has to be profitable, you know, your expectancy. And then you've got to have your reward to risk. It's not about how many times you win or lose. It's when you win, how big are they when you lose. That's the key. And that's on this new system. I'm really wrestling. Even though I just got 50, right? You'd be like, oh, I'm so happy. I'm still wrestling because I did not have a hard stop loss. And that could have got away. And I might have lost quite a bit. I won. All right. Not much happening right this second, right? Just kind of watching. Looking for my in-trend momentum entry to the downside. Number 4. Just kind of watching this do nothing. Right. Kind of watching it do a bunch of jiff. I mean, even look at the ticks, right? We've never left that zone. So even though it's drifting down and we're down 69, I mean, this is happening on very weak. But I mean, I guess it is what it is. I mean, we made our profit to the downside and it's still going down fucking 71. This is an absolute destruction. Ticks are picking up. I mean, that option is over 80 plus cents right now. Fuck. These are those days, right, where if you can do the runner, man. But again, I just look at that. It's shit. I got out at 70. Hang on. Yeah. I got out at 74. 74. And now that some bitch is 84. This is where I'd be looking to go short on the advanced, but I just don't think I'm going to give back any of my money. So this is where you're looking for an in-trend momentum entry to the downside, number 4. Okay, I'm going to draw it where I would get in. Right there. Okay. In-trend momentum entry. That's where I would get in. On 04.50. And I'm watching to see if this becomes invalidated based on the action. Okay, this is that in-trend momentum entry. Okay, entry is a 04.50 to the downside. All right, so it would now be invalidated. So do not take that break. It becomes lower probability. Okay. So just now you reset. Again, it's an in-trend momentum entry. And it's a great setup We need momentum in that one. And if it doesn't happen soon, you don't want to mess around. The last thing you want is to get into a trade and it just kind of fiddle fart around. We see that with the option. If it doesn't move, it bleeds. Right? It bleeds. See? That's what I'm talking about. See if this market can maybe find a bottom here somewhere. Or like Charles says, it just goes down all day. Who knows, right? Just chilling, right? I'll tell you everything I'm doing. As of right now, I mean, I'm up 60. And I really don't want to give any of that back, to be honest with you. XRP's at 86 cents. Cardano's 64. Bitcoin drop back below that 90. It's at 87, right? 87. Again, just kind of chopping around after that big old move up. Not much happening right this second, except XRP's pumping 12%, which is nice. And Bitcoin's taking a break, right? That's what it does. It goes up, takes a break. Not going to go straight up. All right. See, I'm glad I didn't get it. That's what I'm saying. My advanced technique, I've been doing that for years and years and years, right? It's all about reading the momentum, recognizing when it's going to stall, just like it did. Plus 60, right? And again, if you're trading for a paycheck, like that's good enough. I'm not going to take any more trades, but I'm still going to be watching it and calling out the rules, right? Up until we get into the options, which again, I'm not even going to look at the GILD profit P&L, right? It is what it is. We're going to trade the plan. You don't trade the P&L. So what you need to make sure you're writing down, trade the plan, not your P&L. That's something that my mentor told us a long time ago. And if you need to write that down, write that down. I'm going to write it down for teaching purposes because that's something that newer traders will everybody understand. Remember, trade the plan, not the P&L. Just kind of write this down. Right? Can't look at the P&L. Can't let your P&L make your decisions. It's very hard. You just trade the plan. That's it. Right now, if I'm going to trade, I'm looking for setup number 4 to the downside right now until this bad boy starts to pop back up. And then you would look for setup number 3. Anybody got any questions? Right? That was a classic, easy trade. Now, when I say easy, like, I mean, it just literally, I mean, it was easy. It was easy to take. The thing is, I was watching the option contract, and there was a time where it dropped down, I'm telling you, about 12, maybe 14 cents. And then it reversed and went back up and hit the target. Got that long divergence, right? This blue line is from the Forecast Pro. Just a bullish, this is a bullish divergence, right? So momentum is, price is going down, but momentum is stalling. So you could get that reversal. Charles would tell you that the ready aim fire is price lows on the low. So he would signal sell the rallies, which is what we'll do anyway, right? Look for it to pop up, sell it off. Pop up, sell it off. Other than that, we are good to go. Plus 40. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into this Q&A. I'm going to, we're going to log off here, YouTube for the members. We're going to stay inside the room for the Q&A. I'm going to talk about again, I'm going to go over in a little bit more detail the two trades that we just took so we can analyze it off the record, right? So if you're watching in the members area, right, and you want to join us, check down below in the description. All right, cut this bad boy off.